okay. It's completely failed now. Door modules are failing on this car, which I will hopefully replace soon. The problem is, each of these has a door module. Each door has a module. The only module that you need is the Tech 2, the special programming thing to replace, is the driver one, and that's the one that's failing. So I gotta take it into the shop. So stock exhaust. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's go for a quick ride, and then we can compare. So yeah, I just got a little bit of a daily upgrade. So the V50 Wagon 5-cylinder is gone. Still have the 242. Pretty quick for a stock old Forte GT.
Tiny 1.6 liter 4-cylinder.
Yep, 1.6 turbo with a 7-speed dual clutch or an 8?
7-speed dual clutch.
Isaac was considering this in a manual, but the dual clutch is just so much more lively.
It is. It just, manual's good, but this just pulls in any gear. You can throw it in 5th gear, 6th gear on the freeway, and it'll just build boost at any RPM and just creep along. It just feels good. It's fun to drive.
Still got that little bit of throatiness to it, but it is very, very quiet.
It's too quiet.
Yeah. Let's fix that.
Let's begin, shall we? First time putting it in the air.
Basically, we have that giant resonator right there. There's a second cap there, which we're going to leave for now. So basically, we just got to grab measurements of the pipe there and the pipe there, find out how long a piece of pipe we need. Then we go shopping for some supplies, cut this guy out, put a straight piece of pipe in there, and hopefully get a little bit more noise. So, we got the delete pipe, 2.5 to 2.5 by 18 inches, should be plenty. Might have to cut it a little bit, but whatever, we'll make it work. But they didn't have any 2.5-inch clamps. They had every other size but 2.5. So we're gonna run down the street to O'Reilly's, see if they have any 2.5-inch clamps. We did get exhaust seal in here too, so. Then we get the DCT farts. Great job. Brand new blade.
Certified. Just kidding. I'm backyard mechanic certified.
If you can cut that side, you might be able to like droop it down to finish off the other side.
Yeah. I just gotta.
If it has room for it.
Because there's just a. There you go. Money. It's gonna be brutal, just so you know.
Damn.
Not even close to the same. Two blades later.
Clean that up.
Fuck.
It's the best cut I've ever seen. My God.
Fuck.
A little peace off if you can.
Yeah. Please don't. This is awful. Oh no, the filming got corrupted. We couldn't get the cutting part uploaded.
I gotta show these cuts. Well, you know what time it is now. Start this bad boy up. Open downpipe.
Yes.
I mean, you always have to.
Yeah, exactly. Hang on. There we
You gotta
go.
hear it, so you know what you're dealing with.
Cleanest cuts.
Is the camera picking that up at all? I just saw dust fly out from the back.
Low fuel.
Give it a little more.
I say leave it.
It's not bad if
It
it's
sounds
two
good.
cats.
Just open header, essentially.
Yeah, but the
That's two cats.
Oh, two cats? Okay. It sounds good.
Alright, shut her off.
Watch your phone.
Yeah.
$1,500.
Now we gotta put this thing in.
You're gonna be online.
Yeah, I was
totally okay with that.
So Porter came over.
Hi.
This is our friend Porter. He's got
That beauty over there.
that F350, I almost called it 250, where we're probably gonna make another video on that, doing a cat delete. I mean, muffler delete. We're
Keeping it legal around here.
yeah, of course. You know, we're in an emissions-friendly state. We gotta pass emissions like we all do.
I support the government.
Isaac, what size do you need for your clamp?
So I think you're supposed to let that stuff set, but let's just send it and
Yeah, there's
start it.
definitely gonna be some leaks at stuff. There was like a gap.
Well, that's what we gotta check for now.
Yeah.
So start her up while it's in the air, and let's check the leaks. See if we gotta
To
put
be
some additional
fair.
sealant.
To be fair, those clamps themselves already sealed fairly well.
Well, that's what
Yeah,
we gotta
that's
check for
what-
leaks.
There's like 8 of those on the Volvo.
Yeah, exactly. So like, meal. I have all this stuff.
Not even a difference on the cold
I
start.
have half a big inch. I'm sure it's sealed. It's probably
Yeah,
sealed.
it sounds good.
Yeah. It's good.
All right, let's hear it though.
What's good so far? It sounds almost stock so far.
Yeah, it's not gonna make a huge difference.
Resonating is not-
It's a little bit louder.
It is definitely louder, but it's not that much louder. I like that.
Yeah, it's not like rice box.
Yeah, see, I didn't want it like to be too loud.
Oh, put shut her off. Put her on the ground. Let's go for a drive.
Do it. Yeah.
Warm start.
lukewarm start.
Still sounds good.
It's bassy. It's nice.
Yeah, it's got a good gurgle to it.
Does.
So hopefully these DCT farts are gonna be nice and farty.
I thought it was too.
Quiet, can't lie.
Was it louder with the Resonator?
No. And that's not even.
It's louder for sure,
It is.
Yeah.
but it's not obnoxious.
Yeah, it's like barely louder.
We gotta try windows up.
Yeah, we do. You can hear just.
It sounds different.
Does.
The farts sound like almost not as pronounced.
Yeah, they really do.
Little silent ones.
We deleted a resonator and it got quieter.
Let's do some light acceleration. Because that's if I give it like 30-40% throttle. I don't know, after doing this, that just makes me want to do the muffler delete even more. You can hear them with the windows down better.
Yeah. Because like even when we were running just the two cats, it was still pretty quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, it really just doesn't. It's not even. It's no louder than before. I don't think. Like I don't really.
Yeah.
I don't think it made any noise with the farts. There's a little bit more of a tone now.
Yeah.
Let's try it without sport mode.
Oh.
Oh, it's a little. We got little ones right there.
Yeah. It's way more noticeable on the outside.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is. It's way more noticeable.
It
It's
is,
actually
I told
really
you.
outside. Doesn't even pop tune. I like that sound though. It's a very
it's noticeable from the
smooth.
outside.
Sounds
Yeah.
good, don't it?
That is, yeah. From the inside, I was like, I'm not. This is literally the exact same.
It sounds a little
But no,
unimpressive
from the
inside,
outside,
but
you can
outside it sounds a lot
definitely.
better.
This thing feels fun, by the way, as a driver. Like it's sharp.
It is. It's. That's what I'm saying, man. I was like,
Well, there you have it. Quick little Resonator delete on a 21 Forte GT with a DCT. Get a little bit nicer tone, a little bit more of the DCT farts, just at a more affordable price than actually buying an exhaust. This is maybe, what, 30, 40 bucks all in? With the pipe clamps and
it
sealant?
was $10 for the pipe, $10 for the weld, and $10 for the 2 clamps. So.
So there it is.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and definitely more videos to come. We'll see you soon.